In this video, I will show you how to reset forgotten PayPal account password using just your Android phone or iPhone. Open up your browser. Go ahead and click on search Google right here. Then type in PayPal. Hit on continue. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first one right here, paypal.com. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on sign in, log in right here. Enter your PayPal email address. Click on next. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on forgot password. Then here you go. Choose how to continue. Before resetting your password, we will take a couple steps to protect your account. You can either use your photo ID or get a text or get an email. So I'm going to use get an email right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then the verification code will be sent to your mail. Access from here, and then go ahead and open up your mail. Refresh your mail, then here you go. You have your verification code right here. So here is the verification code 596376. Go back right here and enter the code 596376. Then go ahead and click on submit. Then click on next. Then here, get a text. Then click on next. And a verification code is going to be sent to your phone number. Okay. Then go ahead and copy the code and enter it right here. Then click on submit. Here we go. Now you want to make sure you create a new password right here. Re-enter your new password. Then go ahead and click on save password. New password created. And you are done. You will be successfully logging back to your PayPal account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.